In this video, I will show you that how you can transfer USDT or any crypto coin from Binance application to Coinbase wallet in very simple steps. So first you have to come on the Coinbase wallet, click on receive button because we are receiving USDT from the Binance application. Click on receive, and here you have to select that which asset you are receiving. If you are receiving the Bitcoin, select the Bitcoin. If you are receiving the Ethereum, select the Ethereum. And many networks are available for each coin. I want to receive USDT here, so search USDT. So here you can find USDT, which is called Tether. Tether on the Ethereum network, Tether on the Polygon network, Solana network, Arbitrum, BNB, and many other networks are available. I will select BNB network because BNB fees is very minimum. Click on Tether on BNB. You can select any network which you want. Copy this address. Now come on the Binance application. So I have opened Binance application on my cell phone. To transfer USDT from Binance application to Coinbase wallet, come on the wallet, and here you have to come on the export, click on withdraw, select USDT here, and here you have to select the send via crypto network. Paste your address here, and here you have to select the network BNB Smart Chain. Must select the same address on the both side. You can minimum transfer 0.35 USDT. And you have to pay the network fee 0.33. Now let's say I want to transfer 10 USDT from here and click on the withdraw. Now here you can see the confirm slave order that you will receive 9.67 USDT on your Coinbase wallet. Here is the address, network fee, click on the confirm after verifying the addresses, security verification. Alright, now it says withdrawal processing. It will take couple of minutes to complete your transfer. Till you can subscribe this channel for more amazing videos. Now click on the view history, and here you can see the status. It says processing. It will take couple of minutes. Refresh this. So here you can see our transaction has been completed in couple of minutes. Now let's come on the Coinbase wallet and verify this transaction. Close this, cancel, and here you can see we have received 9.67 USDT from Binance application in few minutes. Here is our USDT, 9.67 USDT. So I hope you understand that how you can transfer USDT from Binance application to Coinbase wallet. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.